Hey guys, I'm here with you today. I want to show you how you can use Insightfactory to help you find some product ideas. And, if you're struggling to find things that are low competition, high demand, struggling to find new product ideas, Insightfactory is a great tool that can help you. So I am just here at Insightfactory and I'm going to go to my dashboard. Okay. And I always start over here on the left and just click Etsy Trends. All right. Now you can just scroll down through here and they have so many different niches already picked out for you. We are going to concentrate on the digital products one because that's what we talk about typically is digital products. Your things that you can easily make, list in your shop, and continue to make money on that one piece of work over and over again. Not exactly passive income, but very close to it. All right. So let's look through here at the digital and let's see what we've got going on here. So I think what I'm going to do is just go up to the top and I am just going to type in summer printables because it is summer. So let's see what we can find here. Now, the one thing I do want to do is let's start looking here and I am going to check beginner friendly. Or just show you this. If you are someone who has just started your Etsy shop and you don't want to be overwhelmed with 50-page planners and things like that, you can click on beginner friendly here and it will show you trends that are perfect for people who are just starting out. Okay. It'll show keywords with competition lower than 2,500 and a good sales signal. So let's go with beginner friendly items. All right. And take a look at what they have to offer. And if you have a particular niche for your store, like if you are wedding, you could search for summer wedding printables. If you're in the healthcare niche, you can summer health printables, things like that. But I just did summer printables, so we get a really broad return. Okay, and I'm just looking through here, and I'm just going to show you how to scan through here and find products that you might want to create and put in your store. All right. All right. So these summer bucket lists, they're kind of cute. They've got a good sales signal and low competition. And those are pretty easy to make. You can definitely put them in your shop really quickly. This is really cute. It'd take a little bit more work, but a summer printable planner for tweens. I really like that. Let's see. I really like this here. Printable bookmark coloring summer reading. So it is a summer reading tracker and a bookmark that you can color. That is really, really cute. And that wouldn't be too hard to create on Canva. That's something to think about. In fact, I may save that for later and maybe do a video showing how to make that because that is really cute and super easy, I think. So let's keep going. But I just wanted to show you how you can use Insightfactory to help you come up with new ideas. This is really cute, a summer camp journal for young kids. And again, the competition is low, sales are good, so that's definitely something you could put in your shop. Reading tracker for the summer bookmark set, that is also a really good idea. Here's another one. This camping journal is just plain papers, with looks like there's a page here with nothing on it for drawing pictures. Then you have your lined pages. That would be crazy easy to make, and the competition is fairly low, and the sales are good on it. In fact, that's another thing we could create in Canva one day for a tutorial. Summer camp journal. That's great. But there are so many different ideas you can get just from using Insightfactory. Now, we did summer printables. Now, I know a lot of you sell tumbler wraps. So let's search that and see what we come up with. What are our trending designs? Okay. Again, we are doing the beginner friendly. because that is going to give us designs that do have low competition and things like that. And that's what we want, because even if it's not getting 1,000 searches a day, you can easily get your foot in the door and get on that first page of results when you are dealing in low competition keywords, which is great because, once you start getting seen on that front page, people are going to start to remember you. So then you're going to be able to start ranking higher for products that do have more competition. Okay. So these are really cute. It looks like, oh, that's neat. A spaghetti tumbler. That is cool. And that's got low competition. Good sales signal for this week. I like that. That's really cool. I match energy. That's really cool with the smiley faces, the skeleton hand. Okay. And you have your bundles. Let's see what else we can find here under the tumbler wraps for design ideas. Now this has a good sales signal, but I would not touch this with a 10-foot pole because, Alabama, the colleges and your NFL teams, MLB teams, NBA, all those professional sports teams and their college teams, they have trademarks and stuff, and you can, it's just not a good idea to go there. Just don't do anything that is trademarked, or, stay away from the mouse, all kinds of things. Anything that is trademarked, avoid it. I know it, might sell well, but it's just not worth it in the end. Okay. So, oh, this is cute. This red Solo cup. I like that. That's really simple. Really, the hand and the cup just grab you because, it's minimal. There's not a whole lot of stuff. Social worker tumbler wrap. That's got a nice sales signal, low competition. Teacher tumbler wraps, I'm sure, are popular right now. This is cute. Just a girl who loves basketball. I really like that. All right, and of course, your graduation tumblers are going to be popular right now. I think it's a little, you might get a few sales from a graduation tumbler, but I think that's a little, too late in the graduation season to really make money off of those. So I would, if you wanted to throw one or two up, that's one thing, but I wouldn't worry too much about graduation at this point. Same with Father's Day. Father's Day is in just a few days. You might get a couple sales, but overall that ship has sailed. We are in June. Really what we should be thinking about now is fall and Halloween. So let's look at some of those. Okay. Let's look at fall and Halloween tumbler wrap designs for some ideas on what's selling. Okay. Fall colors. That's really cute. That's selling. Let's eliminate the beginner friendly here. We're not getting a lot of results back for fall. How about Halloween? Okay, getting more back for that. This is really cute. Halloween tumbler wrap. Those are nice. Again, I know these are really popular, but stay away from Jack and Sally. Stay away from Chucky and Freddy and Jason and all that stuff. I know those things are immensely popular, but it's just not worth it. I know you'll see them on Etsy, but it's just not worth it. There's plenty of other ways to make interesting designs without, trademark infringement. All right. Here's a good one. Oh, look at the skull. That is a really interesting design, and that's got some good sales numbers. The smiley faces, sugar skull, that is really nice. You are going to have a little more competition with these, obviously, but this is where your focus should be. In June, you should be focusing now on fall and Halloween. You should always be looking about 4 months out because it takes Etsy 30 to 90 days to really get your listings sorted out and, figuring out where they want it to be in the algorithm and things like that. So, I know I kind of drifted off here because we were just looking for low competition products, and then I went on the Halloween, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to find some really good products, on um, Insight Factory that can help your, store, your Etsy shop grow. Here I just went into most popular planner, checklist, template, social media invitation. These are all just the most popular, and we'll look at this a little bit more here. What do we got here? These are cute. Coloring suitcase box. That's cute. Credit card skin template for Canva, it looks like, and Cricut. What else here? A blank Monopoly board template. Somebody wants to customize their own Monopoly board. Football jersey. Canva templates. Canva templates are always popular. Let's see what else here. Let's go by let's sort by competition. Let's do this. Tumblr name tag template. Planners. Okay, if you have a Cricut or a Silhouette, there's lots of templates that would be good to work on. 8th grade graduation invitations. Again, you might make a couple sales on them now, but graduation season is pretty much over. I would definitely recommend that you start looking towards fall and fall holidays, Halloween, Thanksgiving, fall themed birthday invitations, Halloween themed birthday invitation, anything like that. It is time to look to fall. So here's a library card save the date template. That's really cute. But yeah, I just wanted to show you can just look through Insight Factory and look at the sales trends, look at the competition, and then just get some ideas for your shop, what you want to create and list. Here is that summer printable planner for tweens again. I just love this. I absolutely love this. Now this is not too late because kids are just now getting out of school. Summer camp is coming. So, there is plenty of time to get a listing up and still generate some income from it for this summer. So, I hope you guys found this helpful. I know it's a real general and broad video. I didn't really drill down, but it's just to give you an idea how you can use Insight Factory to find trends and help you get ideas for digital products for your Etsy shop. So if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I will answer you as soon as I can. I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you next time.